So right now, people will say, Chinky, ngayon alam ko, using credit card uncontrollably is not really good for my financial health. Okay, so right now, how do I pay off my credit card? These are some tips. Number one, make a single payment. Kung kaya niyong bayaran in one single payment, do it. Huwag yung pahulog-hulugan. Kasi pag naghulog-hulog ka, masya-charge ka pa rin ng interest. Actually, they charge at least 4.5% interest on the minimum na hindi nyo binayaran. And number two, is pay off first the one with the highest interest. If you have several credit cards na medyo yung mga iba, malalaki pong mag-charge ng interest, yan muna ang bayaran mo. Third, sell some of your assets in order to pay off your debt. It's useless for you to have money in the bank and you're paying off credit card debt. Because the money in the bank only generates you 2% per annum. In the credit card, it charges you 40% per annum. Doesn't make any sense. And finally, this is unadvisable. Pero kung talagang ipit ka na, ang binabayaran mo ng interest, nasa 50,000, 30,000 a month na. I would suggest, kapalaman ng mukha mo, borrow from someone who can loan you with a lesser interest. And then pay off the credit card company, bayaran nyo na lang yung friend or yung relative mo. That is really not the best solution, but the only solution probably for you. So I hope the tips that I've shared with you with your credit card debt will really help you a lot.